So I am in a terrible rush to get out of here. I have to pick up a few folks for a 7, no, not for 7, for an 8:30 affair. It's 7:40 right now. I'm in trouble. All right, so I have to bring food with me. So the easiest thing I can think about is a few fried dumplings, and hopefully I have time to make eggs. But I have a little bit of saltfish from the other day that I made. Tomatoes. So this is your Jamaican style fried dumplings. I am in a hurry. I'll take a shower in 3 minutes. I have 2 people to pick up. One is about 5 minutes away and the other 3 minutes away. Okay, so I need, I would say, a good 15 minutes to get these folks and to take them someplace for, oh no, not at 8:30, for 9:30. Yeah, taking them someplace for 9:30. All right. Okay, I need a little more water. Just a little bit more. Get the bottom. Oh, hiding this, huh? Just a little more water. Let's try this little bit of water here. Okay. Let's get rid of that. That's your dough. Nice and fluff. And ready for the pot. Okay. Right, there it is. Alright. Let's get her in the pot now. Oops. Turn her up a little bit more. Water on here to make me some coffee. Some Folgers coffee. I need more oil in the pot. What's going on here? Why are you not jumping for joy when you hit the pot? All right, let's pull her up a little bit more so you can see her better. All right, try this. All right, come on now. Angle yourself, phone. Angle yourself. I'm not putting too much oil in the pot for many reasons. These are hard times. I don't want it to be soaked into too much oil. Ready? Ready? Add another one to this. Yeah. I'm gonna have to do something different to this one. I'll elongate her. There you go. Alright. So hurry up. I have enough dough for about 2 more. That's good. In Jamaica, we turn them with our hand. I'm in Jamaica now. Oh no, not even like, oh, come on. What are you doing, thing? I'm in a hurry. Gotta go. My clothes is out, ready. I'm wearing a wine color today. Wine color hose, wine color dress, black shoes, white pearl look. Not pearl, pearl look. Yeah, that's it. Alrighty, I gotta hurry up with this. This is moving rather slow. They look like now. Getting that water down for my coffee. Come on now. Word come up. Never hear that word. That's when a child is acting like an adult. Hurry come up. Turn them to the side. Come on, I gotta go. I gotta go. I gotta go. I gotta go. I gotta go, 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 go. Goodness, how long is this gonna take? Longer than I thought. Much longer than I thought. Where does the time go? I have to be done with these in 5 minutes because I have to take a shower. But I can do the shower in 3 minutes, so I'm all good with that. And I drive my clothes on real fast. But it's raining out there. Actually, it was snowing last night. So the road is not, perfect condition for driving. So I have to give myself time. Come on. Same thing. This one's up with the hair, brother. It's too much. It's way too much. Back at the ranch. Back at the ranch. They're getting better here. This one is good to go. Brown her a little bit more. This one is good. Come on, hurry up. I have no time. Perfect. Good. Different shapes and sizes. They're all fine. All fine. Ready for the palette. Okay, 4 to go. Hurry up, Satan. Time is running out. Time is running out and I'm still waiting. I'm so lost without you, I could cry. Yesterday you said you loved me. Everything seemed to be fine. Today you're not here, I'm so lonely. waiting that's driving me out of my mind. Look at easy. Oh my goodness, this thing's taking so long. So long. Okay. Oh. Okay. Twist me and turn me and show me the way. Hurry up. Hurry up. I gotta go. I got to go. Come on. Sit me. Okay, so while I'm at it, oh my goodness, I just poured out this little bit of oil. So I'm gonna reuse it. And you know what? I'm just gonna make an omelet real fast. Real fast. An omelet, oh my goodness. You will not believe, I have 10 minutes to spare and I didn't shower yet. I did not shower yet. Oh my goodness. I have to make this omelet. I gotta make this omelet, otherwise. Come on, hurry. Come on now. What do I have in this omelet? I have, of course, my eggs, 2 eggs, black pepper, a pinch of salt, sweet pepper. That's all I need. Oh no, I also have onions. A few pieces of onion. That's it. You know I can't wait, right? What? I'm in a hurry. I'm in such a hurry. This thing is a nuisance. And what I'm going to do, I am going to turn this down very low and run and take a shower. Yeah. I'm going to turn it low, take a shower. Because I cannot be denied the shower. Oh my goodness. Come on, man. It's taking me so long. Let me turn it up more. All the way up. All the way up. Hurry up. Oh, jeez, I'm in trouble. Folks are going to be calling me any minute now. I can't wait. I got to turn you over. You know what? What I think I'm going to do? Oh no, I'm going to lose her. I'm about to lose her just now. This is amateur work, by the way. Why? Because I am in a hurry. I'm going to leave her here for 3 minutes and take a shower. I'm going to turn it all the way down. All the way down. Three minutes later. Phew, let's see what it looks like. Oh, nice. So nice. They made it twice. Nice. Very nice. Okay, that's perfect. I have to get some more coffee, guys. Coffee for now, coffee for the road. I'm having some. This coffee is really good. Oh my goodness, what happened? Let's get this dumpling. Ooh, these dumplings away from here. Boom. On this cafe. You know what? I've been thinking I've been drinking folders all this time. Oh my goodness. Oh, brother. Some coffee. You can't see my coffee pot. I'm going to show it to you because there's certain things that you can't get rid of in your house, right? No matter what. This is one of them. This nice pot here without handle. You know, I've really gifted a lot of nice pots to folks, but me personally, I can't get rid of this one. Yeah. All right. Okay. I gotta go.